What if a tree could do more than grow? What if it could protect crops, conserve water, capture carbon, reduce dust pollution, and help stop desertification, all at the same time? Meet Paulownia. One of the world's fastest-growing hardwood species, Paulownia is emerging as a powerful tool for climate-smart agriculture and land restoration. Unlike a solid barrier that creates turbulence, Paulownia windbreaks provide the ideal 40 to 50% canopy porosity. This allows wind to be filtered and slowed gradually, creating a protective zone extending up to 20 times the height of the trees. In just 3 to 5 years, Paulownia can reach heights of 30 to 45 feet, providing protection that traditional windbreak species may take a decade to achieve. The benefits are immediate. Reduced wind speeds lower evapotranspiration, helping soils retain moisture and reducing irrigation demand. Protected crops experience less physical stress, often increasing yields by 10 to 30%. And unlike many windbreak species, Paulownia's deep taproot system minimizes competition with adjacent crops by drawing water and nutrients from deeper soil layers. But the impact goes far beyond agriculture. Paulownia's massive leaves act as natural air filters. A single hectare can capture up to 30 tons of airborne dust annually, reducing particulate matter and improving air quality. Multi-row shelter belts have been shown to reduce background dust concentrations by nearly 40% compared to unprotected landscapes. In arid regions, Paulownia becomes a living defense system against desert encroachment. Its deep root network anchors soil, breaks through compacted ground, and helps restore biological activity below the surface. The broad canopy creates cooler microclimates, reduces evaporation, and improves soil moisture retention over time. Combined with other species in a tiered shelter belt design, Paulownia helps form resilient green corridors, capable of slowing wind-blown dust and reclaiming degraded landscapes. For bioeconomy solutions, Paulownia is more than a tree. It is carbon infrastructure, a productive biological asset capable of generating biomass, biochar feedstock, carbon removal, environmental restoration, and long-term economic value from the same acre of land. When designed correctly, a windbreak becomes more than protection. It becomes a platform for regenerative agriculture, climate resilience, and the future of the bioeconomy. Bioeconomy solutions. Building the infrastructure of biogenic carbon. This is your call to action. Contact Bioeconomy Solutions to learn how Paulownia-based carbon infrastructure can transform agricultural productivity, environmental restoration, and long-term carbon value creation. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com/bookcall.